Hey and welcome! In this video, we'll show you how to import floor plans in pCon.planner web. A convincing room concept always starts with a reliable floor plan. In pCon.planner web, you can import PDF files or image templates directly. This saves time, increases accuracy, and provides a solid foundation for creating true-to-scale room drawings. On the Start page, you can upload a file via Import Floor Plan. This can be a PDF or an image file. If you select a multi-page PDF, the dialog lets you choose the desired page. Afterward, use the reference line to define a known distance. Holding Shift keeps the line perfectly horizontal or vertical. Enter the corresponding measurement and trim the image if needed. This ensures that your floor plan is imported automatically in the correct scale. Floor plans can also be uploaded into existing projects under the Insert tab via 2D Floor Plan. If you want to adjust the imported floor plan, click Edit. Here you can change visibility, contrast, and brightness, or remove the floor plan if necessary. In the visibility settings, you can hide or show the floor plan at any time. Once imported, the floor plan appears as a reference in your project. Now you can use the architectural tools to trace walls, doors, and windows precisely along the plan. The result is a digital, dimensionally accurate room that serves as the basis for your further planning. As soon as you've drawn a closed room, a floor is generated automatically. If you want to see the floor plan again, you can hide the floor via the visibility settings. Once your digital floor plan is complete, you can either continue editing or present it right away. Switch back to the 2D view to look at your project from the desired perspective. Under the Insert tab, you can place dimension lines directly onto your drawing. Via Presentation and Snapshot, you can then create a snapshot. Save the image directly to your computer, ideal for presentations or sending it to clients and partners. This gives you a clean and clear view of your final result. With the Floor Plan Import feature in pCon.planner web, you can create precise, true-to-scale designs, whether based on a PDF, a sketch, or a photo. It helps you start every project quickly, accurately, and with a solid foundation. If you want to learn more, check out our video on freehand floor plan drawing in pCon.planner web. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.